Hi, Sam here. You know, when you think about it, football and woodworking, they have a lot in common. Heck, they're almost the same thing. Here, let's go and find out. Your workbench is the end zone. This is where you're trying to get all your projects to score. Your machines and your tools are the players who look to get everything across that goal line and into the end zone. Let's look at some plays. Hut! We'll start with the go pattern. The tush push. Ha! The slant. The shake and bake. The curl. And remember, defense wins championships. So remember, whether it's woodworking or football, precision and discipline make all the difference. You ready? Set! That's the M52! Hey!